Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Luma AI. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your browser, then search here for Luma AI. Once you search for it here, you will have this option, the first option right here. Just tap on it. Then, here, as you can see, it will open this page. You can now click on Try Now. Then you can simply sign in with Google or sign in with Apple if you want. And now here, as you can see, it will show you here this page. You can simply watch a tutorial in order to see how you can actually use it, and this is the best way to learn how to use it, or you can simply skip it and try to start doing anything that you need on your own. And now you can simply click on start a board, or you can get some ideas from here if you need. But here in my case, I'll click on start a board. Then here I can make visuals, and you can also make some characters. So here in my case, I'll click on make visuals. Then here I will try to type anything. Let's say that I am gonna type a cute cat with one red eye and one blue eye. Just type like this. Then it will just take a couple of seconds in order to generate the picture that you need. It will just take some of the keywords, as you can see on the top left corner. Then here, as we can see, we have magnificent photos. You can simply click on the download button in order to download it. You can make a video of it. You can do some modifications. You can also click on it just like so. Then click on modify. Let's say that I want to add a red tree in the background. This is how we can actually do the modification. So all you need to do is to just simply type what you need. You don't have to use tools like in the Photoshop programs, for example. You just have to type what is the modification. And here you can also have the filter or the settings. You can choose between images and videos, and you can also choose the aspect ratio. So here, as you can see, I have it. I can choose, this one looks magnificent actually. You can also click on make video, then click on enter. Let's see how it will make a video for us. And the good thing that it is flexible and easy, and it has a very magnificent interface, and you can actually use it for free in some manner. But if you want faster generations, you will have to upgrade to a premium plan. And it also gives you multiple options, so you can choose whatever you want. Okay, guys, I just forgot something. When you click on the picture itself, you have to choose here videos, then click on enter, just in order to make you good video. Or you can simply type here, make a video of this picture. And you can also click on this picture right here and upload any picture that you have. Then do some modifications to it using the AI by typing a prompt. And now here, as you can see, after a couple of minutes or after a couple of seconds, it actually took me about 1 minute. It has here this magnificent video. You can actually use it for media or anything that you need. You can also download it, as I said, and you can also extend the video. And if you want to go to all the things that you have actually created, you can simply go back right here, and here you will have the things that you have created. You can just click on this icon right here, and here you have all the things that you have created using the AI. You can navigate to it, and if you want to go back to a specific photo or video, you can easily access to it. You can also go click on this option right here in order to see it in a different manner, or you can simply click on these cards, then choose any other sections right here, and you will see some of the ideas of other people. And if you want to upgrade, just click on this option right here and upgrade to any plan that you want. And here you can also change your email. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.